case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Delaware Supreme Court presided over an intriguing case in 1985, Smith v. Van Gorkom, which put the critical responsibilities of a board of directors under scrutiny. It delved into the core issue of whether a board must not only make fully informed and judicious decisions, but also share any vital information that could sway the decisions of shareholders. The case was instigated by a class action lawsuit filed against TransUnion Corporation and its subsidiary, the New Tea Company, as well as J. A. Pritzker and Robert A. Pritzker. The controversy ensued from a cash-out merger between TransUnion and New Tea that the plaintiffs deemed inappropriate. In the lower court, the board of directors of TransUnion was accused of approving the merger without disclosing the necessary information to the shareholders. The defendants, however, tried to justify their actions through the claim of a market test, but failed to produce concrete evidence in its support. As a result, the court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, concluding that the shareholders were not adequately informed, and that the breach of fiduciary duty by the board was evident in its failure to share all material facts. Aggrieved by the ruling, the case was escalated to the Delaware Supreme Court. The court disagreed with the lower court's application of the business judgment rule in favor of the directors, instead emphasizing that the onus was on the defendants to validate their actions. The Delaware Supreme Court instructed the Court of Chancery to ascertain the fair value of the shares based on the intrinsic worth of TransUnion, as on September 20, 1980. If it turned out that the value exceeded $55 per share, additional reparations could be awarded. Crucially, the court decreed, defendants would have to demonstrate that their approval of the merger was driven by a truly informed electorate. Any shortcomings in this aspect could lead to further allegations of non-disclosure of vital information and breach of fiduciary duty.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of clients.